Hi guys, I am Mohan Rudra Palamani, first year MBBS student at AIIMS Patna. First of all, congratulations on cracking the NEET exam and welcome to the medical field. As you know, choosing a medical college is a hectic process because in 2025 when I was at the same stage as you guys are, I was same searching for the medical college, watching so many videos. Instead of blindly trusting the ranking list, there are four critical pillars on which you can choose a medical college. First of all, the geographical location, as well as internal PG quotas or state PG quotas, and mandatory service bond and infrastructure. The first factor is PG quotas and internal reservation. As you know, the guys who actually attend that exams are all doctors, so the level of intelligence at that point is too much. So if you have the state quota or internal reservation within your college, then you have an upper hand when compared to that guy. Let's say, for example, if a guy and you get the same marks, that guy is from the same college, let's say it's AIIMS, same college, then he will have the upper hand when compared to you, he will get that seat. So whenever you choose a college, look for the internal reservation or state reservation. For example, if you look at the AIIMS don't have a state reservation, but we have the internal quota reservation, which is for the students here, which is around 20%. The second factor is time cost. If you look at the MBBS, the entire course is around 5.5 years. It's actually too much when compared to the other degrees. So if your institution has a rural bond, which is around 1 year, 2 year, sometimes it goes around 5 years as well. So if you have to choose a college which has a least number of rural service. For example, if you take AIIMS does not have any rural service, means after your MBBS immediately you can opt for the PG. But when you look at the state GMC, they have in Karnataka they have around 1 year of rural service, which becomes little bit hectic because it actually delays your specialization time period. The third factor is location as well as real world exposure. If you look at the teaching quality in all the medical colleges, the teachers are like exceptionals. So teaching quality does not matter because most of us actually read from online research only. Look at the city life in big metropolitan like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad and Delhi, Mumbai. You will have good peers who are actually from the city urban life. You will have the good patient load as well as good connections over there, and you will have a real life exposure in the cities. In long run, it will actually help you in your future. Another problem with the geographical location is if you are from south like me. I'm from Karnataka, but I knew Hindi before coming here, but my friend was from Hyderabad. He didn't know any Hindi. So if you consider if you get the top state GMC, and when you compare to the third generation AIIMS, that is 2019 AIIMS like AIIMS Mangalgiri, Kalyani, then I think you should choose the top state GMC because now language matters. When you go to the community medicines, family adoption programs, there you will face a problem of language, because in where I study in Bihar, they not only speak Hindi, they have other local dialects, which actually becomes very hard to perceive. So the final checklist are: first, prioritize your lower service bond so you don't have to stall your training. Factor in PG quotas as well as internal reservation. Choose vibrant location, balance distance and cultural comfort. When you know कि you want to go to this medical college, at that point you have to make research about that college, like whether there is a good faculties there or not, practical infrastructure is there or not. And not only that, it's also about the social interaction that actually goes in that college. There is so-called personality development programs which are nothing but the ragging, so you have to consider that factor as well. In medical colleges there is toxicity everywhere.
The ragging case that had come forward in the Doon Medical College, there has been some action that has been taken against those students who were responsible.
मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो फ्रेशर्स हैं, वो एक साथ एक लाइन में होकर जा रहे हैं और सीनियर्स को सलाम करते हुए जा रहे हैं.
But that the amount of toxicity is different in various colleges. But if you consider my AIIMS, the personal development program ragging is actually lower when considered to other state GMCs. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.